Hi, dear friends. This is Sarvesh Narayanan, your friend, motivational speaker, life analyst, soft skill trainer, and a meditation coach. This is my very first video for which I have been waiting to post for such a long time, and I believe the right time has come now. From now on, then, I will be sharing many things in my channel with all my friends who are watching this video, not as an instructor, not as an arguer, not going to refer you any books or would be guiding you to watch other videos. It's simply a different dimension to our lives, and it's all going to be between you and me. Many things I have been experiencing in my life, I have consolidated those situations with case studies, practical examples, how I dealt with those issues and made it success, which is verily possible for everyone. The only thing which we needed is courage. The courage to what? To accept our nature, or accept our attitude, to accept everything given to us with high gratefulness, and how to take it forward to live a successful, contented life. Just relax. Just relax. We have no purpose to take any stress or invite problems. Just relax. Just listen, post your comments, raise your queries. We will analyze it and bring a solution to it. In this video, we are going to see a brief introduction to life. So we have so many questions related to life. Why this life is given to me? What is the ultimate value of it? Whether this life would lead me? Where is the end? What is the solution to all my problems being faced? Is this life really worth to live? Who am I? Could I make happiness? Can I make others happy? Could I get fame? Will this earth recognizes me? Will I get sufficient money? And what is the way to lead my life with no problems? All these questions are constantly hitting us all the times, and we end up with confusions at last. Also, we are being constantly advised by our family, friends, mentors, bosses to achieve something. What should I do? How can I do? What is the minimum guarantee that I could get at least something of what I am expecting? All these questions are creating confusions. We have no proper sleep, no proper diet, running always from pillar to post, from cradle to grave. What am I here? Am I born only to live for others, to build a house, to save money, to adjust with the situations all the times, enjoying no freedom, jumping into a field that I am always in slavery, not doing anything which brings happiness to me? What's all these matters to me? What's my life is all about? We have answers and solutions to all these questions. First of all, the life is all about existence. The life has to exist in its own way. Example, look at the life of a jungle rose. A rose in a jungle, in a forest. It blossoms and enjoys its own existence, even when there is no one to appreciate its beautiness. And it never expects that also. So what we see in a jungle rose, is it feeling bad that it born in a jungle? No, absolutely not. The purpose of a rose to be a rose only. It has no any comparison with anything in this world. It knows only one thing, blossoming. It has to blossom. The same way, life has to be understood from existence point of view and not from any other's perception. How to nourish it? We have to find what we are, what is the capacity of us. Of course, capacity and capability differs from person to person. The amount of capacity and capability is given to us by nature in accordance to our purpose. I can put this way. The capacity and capability of a magician differs from the capacity and capability of audience. It does not mean that only the magician is capable enough and worth living here. Both magician and audience has a purpose, to be in auditorium, to run the show better. So here there is no point keeping a person on a pedestal if he is performing in his own domain when others are simply observing. The only thing here what we need to look at is whether we are performing our role much better and when it has no absolute comparison. The purpose of I being here is something different and you being here is something different. So let us just go off all worries and sadness in our lives. Come, let's find our own way of accomplishing our own targets, destiny, and make our life more and more happier. In the next video, we will find ourselves and go on. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stay connected.